Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. It's a get ready with me, so yeah, keep on watching. I've tied up my hair in a bun so that I can do my makeup. So without wasting any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now I'm taking my primer, starting with the primer, and this one is from Savannah Colors. It is a silicone based primer and it is good for all skin types. Just spreading it all over my face wherever I think I have pores to minimize it. Okay, so the next step is my eyes, and for my eyeshadow I'm using again the Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette, using a fluffy brush. I'm first using a very light shade, very translucent light shade on my crease area. The brush I'm using is from Wet n Wild, and I'll give the link in the description box below. Now I've taken a little darker shade for my eyes and just blending it out very well using a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm using a stiff brush and taking some shimmery shades and making a V. You can see I make a V and just blending it out really nicely. Now you can see how my eyes are looking. Now again taking some more amount of the eyeshadow and blending and blending. Now I'm taking a shimmery shade and I'm using my fingers and just tapping on my lids, बिकॉज़ आई थिंक जो भी शिमरी शेड्स होते हैं वो ज़्यादातर आपके फिंगर्स से ज़्यादा अच्छे से पिक होते हैं. Now I'm taking a little more darker shade and just blending it all the eyeshadows really well using a fluffy blending brush. Giving it some more definition. I'm taking a darker pinkish shade. It's not a pinkish shade, it's more of a brown and mauvey shade, and just blending it really well. Moving on to a base, I'm using a MAC foundation NC25, and I'm using foundation brush by Wet n Wild and just dabbing it really well into my skin for a flawless finish. It's really important to prep your skin really well, do CTM really well before you do any makeup, so that your base will look really flawless. And I'm using my beauty blender to blend it seamlessly. Okay, so moving on to the next step, I'm gonna contour my face using the same eyeshadow palette by Savannah Colors and using a brown shade from the eyeshadow palette I'm just warming up my face. Okay, I'm using a really fluffy blush to blend it all really well, buff it all the excess powder, and giving my contour a really good shape. Remember, don't drag your brushes, use it really lightly. Okay, so my contour is done, as you can see. Now I'm baking my face using the Savannah Colors translucent powder. I think baking is really important. I think so, because it really enhances your face, your features, and especially when you contour. And when you bake, your contour looks really sharp. So to make it look really sharp, I'm just baking my face and using some under my eyes. Okay, I don't know, this palette I bought it from Dehradun, and I'm using a fluffy blush and mixing the two blushes together and using on the apple of my cheeks. Okay, whenever you are using a blush, ladies, just remember to smile, because it just automatically enhances your face and your blush becomes on point. मतलब कि आप अच्छा आपका ब्लश तभी बन पाता है. बहुत लोग ब्लशर अच्छे से नहीं लगा पाते जस्ट बिकॉज कि वो स्माइल नहीं करते हैं. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ highlighter from Savannah Colors, and I'm highlighting the high points of my face. I just love highlighters, so I'm using the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette to highlight the high points of my face, because the Savannah Colors was not as much pigmented as the Revolution one is. And I'm just buffing the extra powder left on my face. So as you can see, my contour is looking so sharp and my baking is done. Now moving on to lipstick. Now I'm using the Matte Me lipstick, nude shade, for my lips. I really love this lipstick. It's really affordable and budget friendly, as well as really nice. So if you like my videos, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the updates, and please comment below if you loved it.